What's up? We're running late. It's Vlogmas. We're running to a photo shoot that we're already late for that we booked an hour ago. Okay. Grace is getting in the car. And we are running because we were late, as always. I feel like I need to wear the hat because I feel like the curls are a little much on top. It's not gonna fall in time. Hi, we're going to photo shoot.
Look at my curls.
Yeah, her curls look fine. Mine are like...
Mine look beautiful.
For some reason, my curls stayed.
You curled it way up on top of your head.
Yeah,
That's
I didn't do it right. Well, I was in a hurry. Photo shoot time. Boop, boop, boop. Really close. Okay, so can you walk and vlog? Come on. Grace is fired. Anyway, we're doing our Christmas photos. We've got a tripod. We're going to Union Station where I've been all week doing photo shoots. We would have taken you on the last one, but it didn't last long because she had to go. And it was just a friend doing it. So now we're going to go do some more photos and it's really cool because it just snowed.
This is Union Station.
The other day I was up here doing photo shoots and I accidentally hit the speaker and turned off all the music.
You what?
They came and yelled at me.
Whatever.
The speaker's right there. No, it legitimately hit it.
Oh, you hit it?
Yeah, I accidentally hit it.
And turned off all the music?
Yeah.
Good job.
Security came up here.
Yeah.
And
this big Christmas tree is the best. Story.
so I do photo shoots. It's actually still on the tripod. I do photo shoots here all the time and it's like my favorite place. It's so pretty. So we're trying to get photos. So I'll insert the one we just did right here. Right over her face. Oh, it's recording. Oh my god, she accidentally throws me off of the balcony. Will you just give me a wedgie? So Grace is playing fit because she wants me to do our typical like jump on top of her back right now, but there's a 30-foot drop behind her.
What's you behind me? I'm not gonna go.
Let's go. I think we should film our new intro here. This is like my favorite place ever.
Welcome to the Grace and Maddie show. Christmas
edition. Alright. We got 2 spots done. We're going to the walkway and then I think we're gonna try like the hill or like something with like a Kansas City.
What are you talking about?
If you're from Kansas City, it's the overview spot. So that's where we're headed to right now. But I want to do a walkway first. Okay. Next spot is we're gonna go to the hill and try to do it at the memorial. We're kind of like beating daylight right now. Oh my god, no, it's cold. Actually, doing your own photos is pretty hard because you have to carry on this huge tripod.
You need a tripod that tilts.
I do, I need a tripod that tilts so we don't have to keep jumping. It doesn't make us look 50 pounds bigger than we are because it's facing downward up our chins. But yeah, we're just gonna work with it this year, right? Like, let's do some by the lights real quick. She loves marrying a photographer, she really does. She really does. Grab it, grab our stuff. We laid our stuff on a mailbox and people keep driving by the mailbox and we're scared people are gonna take it. Oh god, and we kissed in a picture and almost made people wreck.
I did not.
Oh, apparently I only laid my stuff on the box. Okay, off to the memorial. Oh my god, for a minute I thought my car was gone and then I realized we took yours. Second to last stop. Whoop. This is so pretty. This is the memorial in Kansas City. This is actually one of the spots I felt like I was gonna propose at, but we couldn't time it right.
This is not the memorial of Kansas City.
No, it's the World War II.
Liberty.
Okay,
Memorial.
whatever. It's a memorial in Kansas City. All right, let's go. Go. Okay, you're running the snow. For the record, we hit golden hour and my shoes are not meant for snow. I'm done with her. I'm covered in snow on my back hind because she thinks it's fun. How do I kick snow on my own butt? And then I lay the keys down. She's like, he's gonna steal the keys. He's gonna steal the keys. Yes, the guy with a nice car over there is gonna steal your car keys to your 2005 Honda and take it, Susan.
2005 Honda. It's a 2016 Focus, bitch.
It's really cold and they blocked off the memorial so we can't even get up there to get skyline photos. However, I'm really tempted to hop the barricade. No. My hands are cold. Oh wait, it's recording. I was like, kiss my forehead. You want me to be a midget? No, I would need to kiss your forehead. But that makes it look like I'm like a guy. What if we did this? Okay.
I think more on Saturday when it's warm.
I think we're done for now. Because it's cold and I can't feel my fingers. Look, oh my god, look how red my fingers are.
I can't feel my booty cheeks.
We'll insert some of the pictures at the end, but now we don't know what to do, but we'll keep you with us because it's cold. We need to come back out here when it's not snowing. Oh my god, I kicked it in my shoe. Okay, maybe that was me last time. Or it was you and you're just hiding it.
Alright, so update. My cheeks are thoroughly cold.
My fingers have frostbite in them.
From throwing snowballs at each other, and we took a ton of Christmas pictures, and the sun is like setting.
Yeah,
now,
so and I forgot to
can't
upload a
see.
vlog. So
yeah.
we're running home to edit this and it goes up tonight and we shot it today. But I think Saturday we're gonna do more photos. I think I got her in a photo mood. Grace is mute.
Look at my eyes though. They're on point.
Anyway, love you guys. Like, subscribe. Give
We have gained so many new subscribers.
We have.
So
We've gained 50 this month. 50.
Yes. If you guys want us to do a live soon, thumbs up and comment below and tell us when would be the best time to do a live. So,
Saturdays are usually the best, but if you have a different day, let us know.
Yep, and we'd love to meet all you new peoples. So, like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know.
Love you guys.
Love you. Thanks for watching.
I hate we finally beat the algorithm. So I'm like, because we've been posting every single day, we're going on top, and that's why we keep gaining subscribers. And then we didn't film last night, and I was like, are you filming me?
I'm trying to get it to focus, but it won't. It won't focus.
Just do.
We're driving home.
We hit traffic and I'm trying to get on here to find the fastest way home. I will only put 4 seconds of each clip on. And I won't even watch the whole clip, so stop.